The gut is critical for health. It has intelligence and controls many critical functions, such as appetite and much of our immune system. You may be told that your gut needs certain critical species of microbes, and there are companies who are more than happy to sell you probiotics containing these species. This is absolutely true, but it is only part of the truth. Our gut is an ecosystem of trillions of cells of thousands of different species, and it functions as an integrated system. It is an ecosystem that functions as an integrated system, as all life on Earth is part of an integrated ecosystem. The millions of species in the soil are part of this integrated ecosystem, breeding microbes which create soil in which plants grow, which we eat, or animals that we eat. You may think this all sounds reasonable, but how can you create an ecosystem inside your gut? It all sounds incredibly complex and difficult, but it is not. It has been successfully happening for 1 billion years and only became a problem when we changed our food system. In this short video, I want to show you how simple it is. Anyone can do it, even if you live in an apartment with no garden and have no growing experience. All you need is 2 nesting containers. These could be regular flower pots that you can buy from any gardening shop, or you can use storage containers that you can buy from any hardware shop. They just need a few holes to be drilled. If you want, you can fit a swivel tube so you can use it as a wicking bed, but that is not essential and is marginally more complicated. The top box is filled with regular potting mix and seeded in the normal way, but it is better to use a seed mix which gives a variety of plants which lead to a more diverse gut biota. The box is watered, but this time with a couple of differences. You need to apply a large watering so there's a wave of water flowing through the top and bottom box. This wave expels the old stale air, and as it drains replaces it with fresh air. You are breathing the system. Also, you need to catch the drainage from the bottom box and mix it with some fresh water for irrigation. This is what we call soil blood, as it does the same job as our blood. It is full of nutrients, air and beneficial microbes. You may need to give the drainage hole a little jiggle from time to time, but apart from that, it is dead simple. In the bottom box, you add an inoculant kit which contains living microbes, soil creatures and nutrients, and add organic waste to feed the soil creatures and microbes. Go to gbiota.com to find out where you can buy these inoculant kits. The plants are full of a broad spectrum of beneficial microbes. The only thing you need to remember is that microbes have a very short life, so you need to eat them shortly after picking, preferably fresh, but if you need to cook, just short and quick, like in a steamer. See, I told you. Being healthy is not that difficult. I am 85 and still fit and healthy. If I can do it, so can you.